ũgima wa mwĩrĩ kũrĩa arigitani no mathiĩte na mbere kwĩrũma kĩni makiuga mũgomo wao no gũthiĩ na mbere makiuga kanjo ya magavana yetĩkĩra kunanĩra njũng'wa nao marĩ na mwĩhoko atĩ mendekithia mao nĩ magũkinyanĩra. Arigitani maugĩte nĩ meharĩrĩirie kũnina mũgomo wao ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũgĩthiĩ na mbere kwa ihinda rĩa thikũ 44 makiuga mahingĩrio marĩa marenda no mũgomo ma kũnina.
And will continue being out until when the government they will be able to suspend or call off their strike. Why I'm saying when the government suspend or calls off their strike is because the government have been on strike since 2017. Since 2017, after registering our union, we have been pushing at least for that to be able to be that is collective bargaining agreement that secures and safeguards the interests of the technical society, not only just the remuneration but also the working environment. In this country, we have over 35 qualified legal officers, but it's only about 7,000 who've been employed by the government. And we know, as per the current government and also the previous government, one of the main agendas that they have been advocating for, and even they have been using as a tool of campaign, it is the implementation of the universal health care. But this one has been used as a just campaign tool.
When we've been engaging them and the engagement has been futile. So we want to commend the Ministry of Health who has been engaging us and still engaging us. But then the Council of Governors, today we're having a meeting with them. We hope that everything that we are demanding will be agreed. As we are very ready to even call off the strike even today, if the 15,000 enhanced risk allowance is factored in and agreed, because this is something that had already been agreed by the then Minister for the Cabinet Secretary for Health, Senator Mutahi Kagwe.